Hello there, this is Joe Wilkes here from Joe's Bus Train Plane Lift Adventures, and today I'm going to be filming via this laptop here, and I'm going to be filming a review of the 4 from Wolverhampton to Spring Hill. Now, as you probably know, I can't do it the actual route in itself due to bad weather conditions, and I know it was supposed to be added to the channel. Now, of course, from the start of this week, it's going to be the last week for running the 4 from the I-54 Business Park to Spring Hill in Wolverhampton. Now, as you probably know, the section through Spring Hill will be covered by the extension of the 15. That's going to link Wolverhampton, Spring Hill, Womburn, and then the entire route to Merry Hill. So anyway, I'm going to start from the university in Wolverhampton because that is the starting point. Now, the 4 does not serve Wolverhampton bus station, neither does the Freeze and all that. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we are just now starting at Litchfield Street in Wolverhampton. Just going down Queen Square just by BD's department store on the 4 from Wolverhampton to Spring Hill. And this is the map showing you the route. And the main fleet on the 4s is B7 Volvos. And occasionally they do use the Dennis Tridents. So this is the map, and the route is going to hit this roundabout at the Chapel Ash Island, go through Chapel Ash, and then along the Merrydale Road. So here is one of the buses that you'd see on the 3s and the 4s, B7 Volvos, which are branded in, and they're painted in the crimson livery. And we're just leaving Wolverhampton. As you can see, there is the Compton Road that's served by 10s Wolverhampton to Purton, 10A Wolverhampton to Pattingham, 10B Wolverhampton to Codsall, and the 9 Wolverhampton to Bridgnorth. So we are just now on the roundabout. So this is going to be the review video before we explore the new 15 route, which is going to cover this section. So we are just now passing the Marston's Brewery as we're en route now through Chapel Ash. As you can see, the Church of Chapel Ash, St Mark's Church in Wolverhampton. So now at Chapel Ash, small area, and we could see, and as you know, filming via computer due to bad weather conditions, as you probably seen in the introduction. So got a Bangor Travel Optare Solo just right there. So we're just now heading onto what is the Merrydale Road, well, junction for the Merrydale Road, and then we're going to turn leftwards. So that is the junction, the Merrydale Road. That is the corridor for 10s and 9s. And now Chapel Ash. So just now heading down the... So anyway, that was the Compton Road. So now we're travelling down the Merrydale Road. All the way to Spring Hill. All the way down Spring Hill. So just down the Merrydale Road. Now there won't be captions in this vlog because this is not a proper video. So this is going to be a full video. So I won't be able to have time to put captions in. So we're at Wolverhampton, just at Merrydale Road. And so Merrydale Road now. This is the Merrydale Road now. So the journey takes half an hour from Wolverhampton to Spring Hill. Well, 20 minutes. It's a 20-minute journey. So we're just now on the Bradmore Road, just passing the Merrydale Cemetery. Now, of course, the fort is operated by Wolverhampton Park Lane Garage, and it is on the Womben Rota with the 3s, and along with the 2s and the 15, 16, and currently the 17. So this is the Bradmore Road. There is going to be more reviews of other routes that are going to come up on the channel very soon. So I am going to share some of the old routes that no longer exist. Especially going to do a review before I film an actual vlog. So now we're going to head straight onwards. So we're just now on the Treasle Road. Even though it doesn't go into Treasle. Treasle is like a little village, hamlet, sorry, in Staffordshire. So just by the Gunmaker's Arms. So just now, we're en route now towards, once the 4 is done, I will then give you the review of the actual, I'll actually film the actual way when it comes to do the brand new 15. So as you can see on the screen, that is the mouse, just clicking forward. So, here we go. I am going to show you some older routes that has happened in the past. So I'm showing you this route. I'm going to give you a review of how the route will be like when the 15 comes. So I will be giving you a review of how it will look like before I film an actual vlog. As you can see block of flats. This route does remind you of the 19. This does remind you, viewers, of the 19 from Rubery to Maypole. So as you know, we've come to this weird named place called Merry Hill. Even though this is not the actual Merry Hill where the shopping centre is at Briley Hill. There's actually 2 Merry Hills. This one is the original Merry Hill, and it was given Merry Hill from when it from here. So we're now by the Merry Hill pub. Treasle. Oh, so anyway, we're now gonna turn straight ahead now. Did overrun. It is hard with Google Maps because it's not like the actual way. So we're now on the Colway Road, and we're going to turn sharply right. Now we're going to turn at this mini roundabout. So the 15 will come down here. Now this is the part of the Warstones. So the Warstones, is just here. So Warstones, so this is Lisa's Drive. So anyway, this is Lisa's Drive. So we'll finish here for a bit. Anyway, Lisa's Drive, in Wolverhampton. Straight ahead. Now I'm going to turn sharply left. So now we're at the Warstones Drive now. So we're just over the Warstones side. And we have now combined with the number 2 that links Warstones, Wolverhampton and Bashbury Hill. So, as you probably know, the 2, I've been on the 2, but I hadn't vlogged the 2s yet. But the 2s will appeal at some point. So we're just now at the Upper Pen. So we're just near the terminus at Spring Hill. As you can see, the red line marks that the route is operated by National Express. The blue is Diamond, purple or turquoisey blue is Arriva. So, and then there's another colour for other operators. We're soon going to terminate at the point where the 15 will just continue to go onto the Pen Common, which is the existing route. So I'm just now coming down the Spring Hill on Warstones Road. Spring Hill is so the current 15 goes along the Pen Road, but nowadays the route is only between, but soon it will be coming across here. So that means the 16 for Stourbridge will cover the section that the 16 had done. Will cover, what the 15 currently does. So just nearly at Spring Hill Lane. So right, we're nearly at the terminus, Spring Hill, and then the route is going to carry on to head up to the Pen Road, but the force does not continue to Womben. The original plan was to run the 4 to Womben and the 15 to run to Dudley and the 16 to provide more service. So that meant Himley would have lost a bus route, but no, they have retained it. The same was going to go with the 17. So as you can see, there's my mouse right there. So anyway, this is the terminus, Spring Hill. So this is Spring Hill, the terminus. The 15 is going to continue through there and then on to Merriell. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, Joe's Bus Train Plane Lift Adventures. So as you probably know, due to bad weather conditions, I might not be unable to film tomorrow. But please stay tuned if you could, if I'm ready enough for it, as I'll be vlogging the number 5 from Studley to Stourbridge. So hope you enjoyed the video and please subscribe. Joe's Bus Train Plane Lift Adventures. Thanks for watching.